Where are we at, guys?
Niagara Falls.
Oh, we finally get here.
About 2 hours away from our campground.
No, it's not.
2:48. 1:48.
Good thing it's nice and sunny. Look at this. Okay. Who wants to go swimming? A little scary, Emma? Look how fast the water flows. Look at the boat down there. That would be fun to go on.
The oldest state park in America.
You guys ever watch the Jetsons? Reminds me of that.
500 feet.
Jetsons. They don't really know what that is.
Or strollers can use the ramp welcome.
Is that us?
Yeah, you
Oh.
guys go right on. Enjoy the ride, guys.
Thank you. Where's the lines ends? I think this is the end of the line.
What do we do here?
Waiting our turn in line to get on the boat. And we came all the way from the top, but no elevator. Now all these people are waiting in line to use the elevator to go back up. All right, guys, we're on. Wow. Oh my God. lobster.
I didn't know it was a boat.
I didn't think it was gonna get this wet.
I did think it felt really nice too.
Oh, hide it.
It's not
Oh,
That's so cool.
oh man. Woo.
I have water going down my
Oh.
chest.
Yeah, I'm wet too underneath.
Now we're gonna go really fast. We're going with that current.
We'll dry. My shirt even got wet. I don't know how.
Water got in there.
Yeah. It's alright. We'll dry. Nice. It's good that it's nice weather. Woo. Now we'll record some of the Canadian side. Well, it's pretty cool.
Trolleys that take you over.
Yeah. Wow, Mikey, you look wet.
Me too.
Oh, Timmy took a shower. Oh, Emma.
I had to tie her to
Oh,
the bed.
man.
All the birds are in one row.
That was
Real fun.
a lot of fun.
Mom, all the birds
Guys,
are on a row.
we're not gonna be hot now.
They're protected. Yeah, mine are all wet. Oh, I'm dryish.
My shirt is wet, but we'll dry.
I wasn't behind this. I feel like a fat marshmallow. I got good pictures of it. Jackets.
We're on the Canadian side of the waters,
Turn back.
and Canada doesn't want us.
Guys, what if when we're in Canada, our jackets just turn red? That would be way Emma, do you know like that?
Oh, that was fun.
I am soaked.
Timmy, watch where you going, Timmy. All dried up, guys. New York, you've been beautiful.
New York's my favorite.
The state.
Yeah.
Well, because we've been staying more like in the country. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. We did had a lot of fun in Niagara Falls, but I do recommend making some planning for your campgrounds if you are traveling via RV or hotel. There are plenty of hotels in the area, so you can definitely find somewhere to stay if you want to make a weekend getaway or a few-day trip. I do recommend going on a weekday though, because it's less crowded and easier to find a parking space. There is parking space right there next to Niagara Falls. It was paid, but it was only like $10, so it wasn't too bad. Getting to Niagara Falls is free, but there's a lot of different tours available. We chose the Maid of the Mist boat tour, and that was such a fun adventure for our family. Kids enjoyed it. We did get pretty soaked we were on the second deck of the boat because we want to be up front in the action. And we definitely did. Trying to do the videos with the GoPro, my lens got pretty wet, and I didn't realize it because I couldn't even see myself some of the time to realize that the camera was all wet from being soaked from the waterfall. But we had a good time. The lower deck, you are protected, so if you don't want to get wet, that's fine. You can just stay there. You still get to see the waterfront, the waterfall, without getting soaked. Now book your tour ahead of time online. Usually they do get pretty busy over there, and it's hard to get on the boat without having reservations. I think there's also other kind of tours you can book, such as like helicopter ones, Now, I don't know what the cost is. We never looked into that option, but if you want to check into that ahead of time, that's probably highly recommended as well. Now, the Canadian border was closed at that time, so we couldn't cross the border to see one on another side. And maybe next time when we go back, we will have that option and opportunity to do. Now, in New York State, there is restaurants and hotels and shopping area if you need to do some shopping or get something to eat, so that's not a problem at all. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoy these tips and get to go to Niagara Falls yourself. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you guys later. God bless you. Bye.